Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna share with you how you can change your Facebook birthday date, month and year. So if you think that your birth date is not proper, is not right, then you can change it later easily in your Facebook settings. Okay, so how can you do this? Just follow me and you will learn. So before the tutorial starts, you are requested to subscribe to this channel, and if you face any problem, please let me know. I'll show you the solution video in the next video. Okay, so let's begin the tutorial. So we need to go Facebook apps. Here you can see, click the Facebook apps. Okay, then we need to go on the right side. You can see the three line. Okay, click on it, and here you can see the this option, your profile. See your profile, click on this and scroll down little bit, then you can find the option where you can change your settings. Okay, so this option, see your about info. Okay, click on it, and after clicking the option, then we are getting this interface, and again we need to scroll down little bit, then here you can see the all option basic info. So here is two option, gender and birthday. So the second option, we need this option. So we need to click the right side. You can see edit option, click on it. So yes, here you can see the day. So from here you can change your date. Okay, so click on it, then here you can see 1 to 30 days. Okay, so this one, and the month also you can change the month. Click here, and here you can see the 12 month. So you can select on your month, and then here you can see the last option, birth year. Okay, so you can see this here, a lot of birth date from 1905, so you can change it in your own birthday. Okay, so I need to inform you the important things, that please when you give your birth date, month and day, then you have to remember it, because if your Facebook ID will face any problem, then Facebook authority will want the birthday that time, then you can recover your ID through that birthday. Okay, so you can remember it, and you can write down in your note in your diary or etc. Okay, so friend, today is no more, and this is very simple tutorial. So if you like this video, please comment below your opinion, and please give the like the video, and thank you for watching this tutorial.